Social media isn't just for entertainment, it can be a valuable learning tool too. By following these tips, you will notice remarkable progress in no time. Learning English doesn't require huge chunks of time. It's all about consistency and clever integration into your daily routine. Hey there, language learners! Welcome back to our channel. I know life can get busy and finding time to learn English might seem like a challenge. But fear not, because today we're diving into an in-depth guide on how to seamlessly integrate English learning into your daily routine. These simple yet effective tips will transform your language learning journey. So, let's jump in. Let's kickstart your day with a dose of English. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, dedicate 10 minutes for English learning. Listen to a language learning podcast, watch a short English lesson on YouTube, or even read a news article. This positive morning routine sets the tone for a productive day ahead. So just subscribe this channel now. Let's talk about multitasking. Turn mundane tasks into language learning opportunities. When you are cooking or cleaning or doing laundry, have an English podcast or audiobook playing in the background. It's a fantastic way to maximize your time and exposure to the language. Whether stuck in traffic or sitting on a train, your commute can be your best friend for learning English. Use this time to your advantage by listening to English materials. Engage with podcasts, audiobooks, or language learning apps. You'll be amazed by the progress you can make during your daily commute. It's lunchtime, guys, and guess what? You can feed both your body and your mind. So watch short YouTube videos in English during your lunch break. Choose topics that interest you. Switch on English subtitles and absorb the language naturally while enjoying your meal. Combat that afternoon slump with language learning. Language in short exercises or puzzles that challenge your vocabulary and grammar. This mental workout revitalizes your energy and language skills. Social media isn't just for entertainment, it can be a valuable learning tool too. Follow English-speaking accounts, news outlets, or influencers. Engage with their content by reading, commenting, and sharing. This way, you expose yourself to authentic English content and stay motivated to learn. And follow English learning and speaking groups especially. If you hit the gym or exercise at home, pair it with language learning. Listen to English podcasts or watch videos during your workout. Multitasking ensures that you're making the most of your time. Embrace your creative side while learning. Write short stories, compose poems, create dialogues, or listen to English songs, or singing with the lyrics. This practice enhances your vocabulary and expression, making learning a joyful experience. Channel your inner chef while learning English. You can follow English recipes, watch cooking shows, and you narrate your culinary process in English. It's a tasty way to enhance your language skills. Enlist your loved ones in your language journey. Set aside family time for language games, debates, or watching movies in English. Mutual support enhances motivation and fosters a fun learning environment. Before you wrap up your day, spend time reflecting on what you have learned. Create a journal in English to jot down new words, phrases, and thoughts. This reflective practice helps solidify your learning, and sets you up for success the next day. There you have it, language enthusiast. Learning English doesn't require huge chunks of time. It's all about consistency and clever integration into your daily routine. By following these tips, you will notice remarkable progress in no time. If you found this guide helpful, give up a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Remember that the journey to fluency begins with small steps taken every day. So keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, take care and stay curious. Bye-bye.